Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of people ask me. Can I use Smartsheet for personal use? I get this question a lot, and I think it's a great one. Smartsheet is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of business purposes, but it can also be a great tool for personal use. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Smartsheet for personal use, and I'm also going to share some tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. So, let's get started. What is Smartsheet? Smartsheet is a cloud-based spreadsheet and project management tool. It's a great tool for tracking tasks, managing projects, and collaborating with others. Smartsheet is a great tool for personal use because it's flexible and customizable. You can use it to track your to-do list, manage your budget, or keep track of your fitness goals. How to use Smartsheet for personal use. There are a number of ways that you can use Smartsheet for personal use. Here are a few ideas. Track your to-do list. Create a Smartsheet sheet with a list of your tasks. You can then use the status column to track the progress of each task. Manage your budget. Create a Smartsheet sheet with a list of your income and expenses. You can then use the total column to see how much money you have left in your budget. Keep track of your fitness goals. Create a Smartsheet sheet with a list of your fitness goals. You can then use the progress column to track your progress towards each goal. Here are some tips and tricks for using Smartsheet for personal use. Use the My Sheets tab to access your sheets from any device. Use the Share button to share your sheets with others. Use the Automations tab to create automated tasks. Use the Reports tab to create reports of your data. Smartsheet is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of personal purposes. If you're looking for a way to organize your life and get more done, I highly recommend giving Smartsheet a try. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.